This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics, so we only fix the real issue. First, make sure Windows Wi-Fi and the router radio are on. Turn airplane mode off. Then reboot both the PC and the router, waiting 30 to 60 seconds before reconnecting because devices need a fresh DHCP lease. Next, confirm the exact network name and password by testing another phone or laptop. If other devices fail, the problem is the router or ISP rather than your PC. Once you've isolated it to your PC, open Settings and run the Network Troubleshooter to gather clues and auto-apply simple fixes. Then in Device Manager, disable and re-enable the wireless adapter. If that fails, uninstall the driver and scan for hardware changes so Windows reinstalls it. To clear stale networking state, run ipconfig/release and /renew ipconfig/flushtons, then netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset. These commands repair TCP/IP and name resolution problems that commonly block Wi-Fi. To finish, update the wireless driver directly from the adapter maker's site because Windows Update can miss vendor fixes. Newer drivers often restore connectivity. Verify router settings, switch bands or channels, and prefer WPA2 if a device can't handle WPA3, because mismatched encryption or crowded channels will stop a connection. If problems persist, try a USB Wi-Fi dongle to rule out hardware faults, or use Windows Network Reset to restore default network stacks. If you hit errors, note messages and retry steps after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.